We're replacing some French drains behind this house. This one, this house is about 4 years old, and the French drains are plumb stopped up completely. They weren't really installed in the best way. The ceiling on the wall is kind of shabby. Very minimal gravel around the drain, and it wasn't wrapped in any kind of filter fabric. No other line or nothing, and it has completely stopped this drain up. So this wall is actually leaking on the inside of the house down here at the bottom, and the basement's finished, so it's messing up the sheetrock, just messing the inside of the house up. So we're replacing this along this back wall, hopefully dry the inside wall up pretty good. We're gonna clean this wall off pretty good, get most of the dirt off, and then we're gonna go back with a tar sealer on the wall. We roll it on, and we've got they're pre-made drains. They're wrapped in popcorn and filter fabric. Put that in, and then a layer of plastic up behind it, just to keep as much moisture out of that basement as we can.
So this is where we're at. We've dug, or Josh has dug out with the excavator to right there. We've got this AC unit we're gonna have to work around, and then we've got a little bit of hand digging to do right here, and then we'll take up back over with the excavator right there all the way to the end, and we'll be tying it all in together with a drain that comes out on the other side of this brick retaining wall right here. So be a pretty good project.
situation. We got a slow start this morning. It rained on us a little bit last night. Muddied up our trench here. We managed to get the wall sealed yesterday with asphalt sealer. Got the footer sealed up pretty good. And then it rained yesterday evening and put a little bit of mud back in our trench. We're gonna get down in here and clean it up a little bit and get what fell in there out. Put some plastic up against the wall, get a drain in there, and hopefully it'll be dry enough by then to start backfilling it, get it covered up.
You're doing great.
I appreciate it. I do the best I can. Shoveling mud is my thing.
It's the best.
That's even better.
what are we doing today?
Today we are finishing up this French drain project. All we got left to do is backfill the hole.
Do some creative raking.
Some creative raking. Get all the dirt out of the grass. Clean it up, make it look good. And we'll be done. Seed it.
Heck yeah.
Cover it up with straw. You know, another 30, 45 minutes
Yeah.
tops.